Now, if you click on one of your campaigns, you will see those changes for a campaign. So this is the campaign level. Now, first we have overview. We have overview for this campaign. It's called a Flora search, which means it is a search campaign. So in the overview section, so it provides a summary of your campaign's performance, offering key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and overall spend. It's a quick snapshot of how well your campaign is performing and can help identify trends or issues that may require attention. Second, we have recommendations. Now, because this is a dummy account, we do not have any recommendations at all. But this tab suggests optimizations based on your campaign's performance data. This may include budget adjustments, keyword changes, or bidding strategies that could improve your campaign's efficiency and ROI. Then we have ad groups. And this section allows you to manage all your active and paused campaigns. You can adjust settings, monitor performance, make strategic decisions about your ad investments. Then we have inside ad groups, we have experiments. So it will enable you to test different variables within your campaign. So it is actually A/B testing, but Microsoft Ads calls it experiments. So you can, for example, such as bidding strategies or ad copy, by comparing performance of different versions, you can optimize for better results based on data-driven decisions. Then we have ads and extensions here. So you can manage the individual ads and any additional elements like site links, callouts, or call extensions. This section is crucial for ensuring that your ads are compelling, relevant, and effectively using all available features. And then we have assets. So this is simply means that it holds your ad creatives, including images, videos, and text. So proper management here ensures that your ads are visually appealing and consistent with your brand's messaging. So then we have landing pages. Landing pages are where your users are directed after clicking your ads. Reviewing this section ensures that all landing pages are optimized for conversions, aligning with your ads messaging, and provide a seamless user experience. Then we have competition. This provides insights into how your ads perform compared to competitors. By analyzing this data, you can adjust your bidding strategy or ad content to gain a competitive edge in the market. So we also have settings. So the settings section allows you to configure various aspects of your campaign, including budget, location, testing, scheduling. Properly adjusting these settings ensure that your ads are shown to the right audience at the right time. We also have change history. And so it logs all the modifications made your campaign, including adjustments to budgets, keywords, or ads. Reviewing this helps you track what changes have impacted performance, allowing for more of informed decision making in the future. And also we have keywords in audiences and demographics. So keywords, you know which keywords are performing well. For example, which auction insights, what negative keyword lists, and the general keywords, search terms, and also the audience, their age, or the demographics, their gender, age, or location altogether. And you can actually, by reading all of this for your specific campaigns, it will help you to make better decisions based on the data that you see here.